snap-on 3/4, snap-on 3/4, all the way up to 2-inch, snap-on metric, metric 1/2 inch, metric 3/8, 3/8, quarter, quarter, Torx, quarter with a hex quarter, 3/8 stubby, Allen's, 1/4 inch flex head, quarter SAE, 3/8 ratchet flex head, 3/8, 3/8 deep, 3/8 flex. These are just no name. These are Proto. This one is Snap-on. These are all Snap-on 1/2 inch standard. And I got Mac locking extension, Snap-on. Let's see, Snap-on. Got Snap-on 1/4 inch, Snap-on swivel, Snap-on SAE from 1/2 inch to 1 3/16. This is just picked this set up. Sonics, 3/8 all the way up to 1/4. Angle head wrenches, lifetime warranty. Made in China, unfortunately, but they are pretty nice. Bang for buck. Oh, got my Snap-on 3/4 ratchet. Breaker bar. 24-inch ratchet. Love it. Paperwork. Mac micrometer. Electrical. Mac upholstery tools. Probe pins. Test light Snap-on. Snap-on crimpers. Weather pack crimpers. Strippers. These are like grip right type. Mac drill bit set. Got Mac set bits. All 3 of them. Got Maco. Extra long. Really nice. Got frame drill bits. Got miscellaneous. Got Mac center punchers. Got test leads. Some pipe tape. Milwaukee. This is a whole set. Whole saw set. Got wood drill bits. Don't need GP. Got a Blue Point. A 1/2 inch. Got it used. Husky. 3/8. Mac. Vacuum. Air vacuum. These are electrical connector terminal pads. Handy. It's all Mac. Got a radiator fin fixture. Got a full Mac drum brake set. Got all my cleaners. This drawer. Just got some random wire. This is like a drawer almost. Wrenches. 1/4 inch. It's an 1 1/4 inch. Mac. Open box. These are precision torque. These things are beefy. Camera doesn't do it justice, but wow. Got Snap-on adjustable. Got both big and little. And got Snap-on 1/4 inch to 1 1/4 combination ends. And we got 7/16 to 3/4, 10 to 19 Snap-on, Maco ratchet wrench, flex head. They're made by Gear Wrench, really good. Just Allen key, or Allen tool set, 20 tool to 10. And we got 10mm to 19. And got one of your Phillips. You get flatheads, got your long picks, short picks, you got a valve stem remover, Allen keys, and we got hex bit set, got a bit driver, got a nice screw, pipe wrench, Snap-on pipe wrench, Blue Point
Are you taking inventory?
Yep.
Sure. Have.
Yep. Yep. Very good for insurance.
Hey, Bubby. Take a picture of each drawer.
Yeah.
I know how much I got in my book.
Yeah, I know how much I got. Keep it written down.
Yep.
Night.
That's why the toolbox right there. Everything is.
Oh, easily. Yeah, it's a couple grand. Angle grinder, sawzall, cutoff wheel. Got a 3/8 impact, snap-on. Don't know what that's doing there. 1/2 inch Mac, love it, beast. Got a Pro AM. Don't even know where to get that. 3/8. And then got another junk draw. Snap-on DA, snap-on tape. I got 2 of them. Snap-on. It's kind of my pride and joy right here. Snap-on Iron Man. This thing is awesome. All this black. It's all shade 10 with auto darkener in the center. Love it. A little on the pricey side, but you get what you pay for. Test lead these 30-foot series. Got a vice grips. Got a surge protector, angle grinder,